Welcome to Michoacán, a state in west-central Mexico renowned for its stunning natural beauty and diverse ecosystems. From towering volcanoes to lush forests, pristine lakes, and a coastline caressed by the Pacific Ocean, Michoacán offers a rich tapestry of nature waiting to be explored. Join us now as we journey through this land of vibrant colors, dramatic landscapes, and remarkable biodiversity. Our first destination takes us to the heart of Michoacán's volcanic landscape, to witness a sight few have seen in their lifetime, the birth of a volcano. This is not just any volcano, but Paricutin, a geological marvel that has fascinated scientists and adventurers alike. In 1943, the earth here literally split open, creating a fissure that would soon become the Paricutin volcano. It was an event that captured the world's attention as the ground itself seemed to come alive, giving birth to Paricutin. Imagine, if you will, the ground trembling beneath your feet, the air filled with the deafening roar of the Earth's raw power. The eruption was so intense that it could be felt miles away. The air thick with smoke and ash as molten rock erupts skyward. The sky turned dark as day became night, and the landscape was forever changed. The eruption continued for 9 years, reshaping the land and the lives of those who lived there. This is the story of Paricutin, the volcano that rose from a cornfield. It started as a small crack in the ground and grew into a towering mountain of fire and ash. Farmers who once tended their crops here watched in awe and terror as their fields were consumed by lava. The eruption, a spectacle of awesome power, buried the nearby village of Paricutin under a sea of lava. Homes, schools and churches were swallowed by the relentless flow, leaving only memories and ruins behind. Today, the hardened lava flows stand as a stark reminder of nature's raw energy, a landscape frozen in time. The once fertile fields are now a rugged terrain of solidified rock, a testament to the volcano's might, while the church spire of the engulfed village, still reaching for the sky, serves as a poignant memorial to the past. It stands as a symbol of resilience and a reminder of the ever-changing nature of our planet. The story of Paricutin is a powerful example of how nature can dramatically alter the course of human history. We journey now to the shores of Lake Pátzcuaro, a place where the natural world and human culture have coexisted in harmony for centuries. This high-altitude lake, nestled amongst the mountains of Michoacán, is a sight to behold. Its surface shimmers like 1,000 sapphires, reflecting the sky and the surrounding landscape in a dazzling display of light and color. But this lake is more than just a beautiful vista. It is a living, breathing tapestry of culture and nature. Here, the lives of the local people are inextricably intertwined with the rhythms of the lake. The indigenous Purépecha people have called these shores home for centuries, their traditions and way of life deeply connected to the lake. Their daily lives, from fishing to farming, are guided by the lake's rhythms and seasons. Watch as fishermen cast their nets from traditional butterfly-shaped canoes, a skill passed down through generations. These canoes, with their distinctive shape, are a symbol of the ingenuity and resilience of the Purépecha people. On the Day of the Dead, a celebration of life and remembrance, the lake takes on an ethereal beauty. As night falls, families gather in candlelit cemeteries, their flickering lights reflected in the water. This scene, with its haunting beauty and profound cultural significance, is a testament to the enduring connection between the people and the lake. The reflections of the candles in the water create a mesmerizing and almost otherworldly atmosphere. It is a moment of quiet reflection and deep respect for those who have passed, a poignant reminder of the cycle of life and death. The Purépecha people are also known for their exquisite crafts, which are often inspired by the natural beauty of the lake. From handcrafted pottery to intricate textiles, their artistry is a reflection of their deep connection to the land and water. Throughout the year, the lake is the backdrop for numerous festivals and celebrations, each one a vibrant expression of the community's cultural heritage. As the sun sets over Lake Pátzcuaro, the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, a fitting end to a day in this magical place. It is in these quiet moments that one can truly appreciate the harmony between nature and culture that defines Lake Pátzcuaro, a place where the past and present coexist and where the beauty of the natural world is celebrated in every aspect of life. Our exploration takes us westward towards the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, where the Sierra de Costa rises majestically from the coastline, its rugged peaks standing as sentinels over the land. Here, the emerald embrace of the rainforest spills down the mountainsides, a cascade of green that seems almost otherworldly. The dense foliage reaches out to meet the crashing waves, creating a dramatic and breathtaking interface between land and sea. This is a realm of vibrant life, where every inch of the jungle teems with activity. The air hums with the songs of exotic birds, their melodies weaving through the trees like an intricate tapestry. Listen closely and you'll hear the rustle of unseen creatures moving through the underbrush, each one playing its part in this vibrant ecosystem. Look closely and you might spot a flash of iridescent blue as a morpho butterfly flits through the undergrowth, its wings catching the light in a dazzling display. These butterflies are just one of the many wonders that call this rainforest home, each one adding to the rich tapestry of life here. The beaches here are pristine, untouched by the hand of man, and serve as havens for nesting sea turtles. These gentle giants return year after year to lay their eggs in the warm sand, continuing a cycle that has endured for millennia. Under the cover of darkness, the beach transforms into a sanctuary for these ancient mariners. They return to the very beaches where they were born, guided by an instinct that has been passed down through generations. As the hatchlings emerge, they begin their perilous journey to the sea, a journey fraught with danger but driven by the promise of life. The cycle of life continues, a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature where the rainforest meets the sea. Prepare to witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles, the arrival of millions of monarch butterflies in the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve. Every year, these delicate creatures undertake an epic journey spanning thousands of miles, from North America to their wintering grounds in the Oyamal fir forests of Michoacán. Imagine the air alive with the flutter of countless wings, the trees transformed into living tapestries of orange and black. The ground, too, is carpeted with butterflies, their collective presence a testament to the enduring power of nature's rhythms. Our journey takes us deeper into the heart of the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve, to the region of Tansitaro. Here, amidst towering pines and cascading waterfalls, we gain a deeper understanding of the delicate balance that sustains the monarch's incredible migration. The forests here are a sanctuary, providing the butterflies with the ideal conditions to survive the winter months. Local communities play a vital role in protecting this fragile ecosystem, their livelihoods intertwined with the well-being of the butterflies. As we hike through this breathtaking landscape, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all living things. We venture now into the rugged wilderness of La Sierra Madre del Sur, a mountain range that stretches along the southern edge of Michoacán. Here, time seems to stand still. Remote villages cling to the mountainsides, their inhabitants living in harmony with the land. Their traditions pass down through generations. The forests here are a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Jaguarundi, elusive cats with sleek coats, stalk their prey through the undergrowth while the haunting calls of howler monkeys echo through the canopy. Our final destination takes us to the cool embrace of the Bosque de los Alamos, a temperate forest that offers respite from the tropical heat. Here, towering trees form a verdant canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and creating a sense of tranquility. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, and the forest floor is carpeted with ferns and mosses. Follow the winding trails deeper into the forest, and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of cascading waterfalls and hidden grottos. This is a place to reconnect with nature, to breathe in the fresh air and to appreciate the simple beauty of the natural world. Our journey through Michoacán has taken us from the fiery heart of a volcano to the tranquil depths of ancient forests. We've witnessed the delicate dance of butterflies, the cultural richness of lakeside communities, and the raw power of nature's forces. Michoacán is truly a place that combines nature, adventure, and culture. Whether you're interested in hiking, birdwatching, or simply taking in the scenic beauty of the land, there's so much to explore. Are you thinking of visiting or just curious about the area's natural wonders? Let us know in the comments below.